This is 2026 and Bitcoin is the best investment you should put your money in. I'm going to explain exactly why I said Bitcoin is the best. And before you buy an asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything, you have to see many confirmations. And I have seen it, and that is what I want to show you guys in this video. In case this is the first time you're coming across me, my name is Noel, and this channel we talk about how to make you a better trader and also how to make money. Okay, now first things first, we come down to Bitcoin 1 week time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and the reason why I said gold will buy and you should invest your money in Bitcoin is this. As you can see, this was the first thing you can see here. The first thing I can spot here is that price once reached $126,000 per Bitcoin, and it's obviously look like a pullback. That means we have the chances of it going back to this very place. That is evidence number one. Now, normally stocks like Bitcoin, they are always buying. It always goes up. So the only thing we have might have problem is maybe we will go and buy Bitcoin when it's about to have like a massive pullback and we end up losing money. So now we want to know when the pullback will end and when the pullback will not. Maybe it's just trying to fake the pullback something. So now to prove that the pullback is about to end, we have to use supply and demand rules. Now, what is the supply and demand rules? Now, we want to zoom into this last chart here. As you can see, my price have dropped to this very lowest point here, and it left a week here. So we want to be focused on this lower week because we are looking forward to buy. If you're looking forward to sell, we'll be looking forward to this higher side or this. Now, since it's buy, you're looking for this lower side. So now we'll use this rectangle here, this horizontal line here, and mark the very top of the week, and also another one and mark the lowest point like this one. So now once you mark it out, so you want to see price previously testing the zone before you can decide to before you decide that this is a key interest, like this is a good zone. So now you can just go down to your lower time frame like the D1 because you are dealing with higher time frames here now. So now as you can see, this is it, and here the market have tested this place, and look at this week here too. The market too have tested it too. So you can just go ahead and check below, check behind, and you can see that market have tested it. So that means it is kinda a good key zone. If it has tested multiple times, that means it is a very confirmed key zone. But since this is the highest point Bitcoin has ever been to, we can't really decide, because if you can look at something like the monthly time frame, you will discover that this is the highest point Bitcoin has ever been to. Bitcoin has never gotten to this place. So that's why we can't find more key interest, more places that the market have tested. So only these two is enough for us. So let me go back to the daily time frame and continue from there. So if you can check this place here, look at this place here, market have tested it, and that means it is okay. So now, before market, after market test it already, that's not all about it. You have to confirm it again that this key zone, it is a good place to enter trade from. So this is what you have to do now. Now, based on what I know about trading the chart, this is something I know very well. Okay, let's say the market was around this point here, right? Let's say it was around this place here. We haven't gotten to that place that we are already. So now we have already identified this as our key interest. What we want to see now is markets drop down to this zone, and then we will look for confirmations. Now the confirmation could be double top, double bottom, or triple bottom, anything like that. It could be any of this. So we want to see price drop down to this very level, and then we can see any of this. So let me play price forward, and we want to see price enter that zone. So now that it's inside this zone, our horizontal line, inside this zone now, what we want to do now is to do something like rectangle. God. Okay, this is the rectangle. So I want to mark the weakest point of this week and extend it. Now look at this zone that we are now. What I want to see, I'm not done with the confirmation yet. I want to see price drop down to this very level inside this zone, I don't want to see a wick inside. I don't want to see a candle come below the zone and break below. I want to see a wick inside the zone or a candle inside the zone. That means this place have given us confirmation, and it has proved that this is an end of a pullback, and also this will indicate a trend continuation. I will tell you not to buy Bitcoin if the market go below this. So let us play price forward and let's see what he has to do. So now look at this now. It came inside and it gave us a week. Now that it gave us a week, that means we can buy Bitcoin. And you can buy Bitcoin from anytime you're seeing this video like this. And you should check your charts. Maybe you might see this video late. So you want to buy Bitcoin and aim for the highest point. And this is the daily time frame. That means it's going to take you a long time. So now you can just play price forward. And you are expecting Bitcoin to go up. That's why I said you should buy Bitcoin. You can either buy it from your broker or you can buy the coin, the actual coin, and keep. Now, that is it about this video. And this is why you should buy Bitcoin. I gave you about 3 reasons why you should buy Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, it is said within this month, within this year, by June, it should reach at least $126,000. Now it is currently $96,000. That's what one Bitcoin is worth. But by maybe in the future, as soon as I don't know, it's going to reach $126,000 again, and it might even pass. So that's why it's advisable you should buy Bitcoin today. And again, and it might even pass. So that's why it's advisable you should buy Bitcoin today. And that is it about the video. I hope you found this video meaningful. If you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.